Okay guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can transfer from ChatGPT to Claude. Really, Claude is a very good tool for writing, and if you're a content creator, you need Claude. You need Claude to sound like you. You need Claude to write some content that will drive interaction. So I've been using Claude for 3 months now, and I can tell you it's the best so far. I just cannot get rid of ChatGPT because ChatGPT helps me think and build. Then Claude, of course, just helps me arrange all my thinking in a very presentable way, you see. And then ChatGPT, and then Claude is connected to my Canva, it's connected to my Google Drive. In fact, Claude does another thing that we're going to talk about in my next class. Claude co-work, like it will run some tasks for you while you are sleeping. So we're going to talk about that in my next class, but first let's just transfer our data to Claude. So this is my Claude, right? And then I also have ChatGPT, which everybody uses. So the first thing I need you to do is go on Claude, right? Now you have, how did you get to Claude? Go to Google and type Claude AI, then sign up. So I have signed up, and this is what it looks like. So you go on Claude now, right now, look down, just your left below, you see like your name, the first letter of your name, how you signed up. So just click on it and then go to settings. Now in settings, go to capabilities. Okay. And then we are going to click on Start Imports. When you click on Start Imports, you will see copy this prompt into a chat with your other AI provider. This is the prompt you're going to take to ChatGPT and go and get every tiny details that ChatGPT knows about you, every single thing. So just click on copy, then you go over to ChatGPT. I've already done this before, so we'll just click on a new chat, and then in the chats window, just Ctrl V, okay, and that's it. Then you click send. Okay, so once you click send, it's going to download every single thing that you guys have had together. Can you see? Boom, boom, boom. Everything about me, every single thing about me, you see, everything. And once that is done, you just go ahead and click on copy, and then come back to Claude and then paste it here. And then once you paste it, right, you would now click on add to memory. Okay, so you click on this, add to memory or save, depends on what you see in your window. So that's it. Everything, once you do that, once you click on that, once you click on it, see, it's going to update the memory, update every single thing about you, and you are good to go. You can start using Claude for your everyday purpose, helping you learn how to write, helping you learn very simple way. Okay, I hope this was helpful.